I just found a brand new AI tool that makes it easier than ever before for you to be able to start an online business. Because this tool allows you to build out a Shopify website with AI in just a few minutes. And the best part, it's free to get started. In the past, there were large upfront costs, a large time commitment, and you probably had to learn how to do things like build a website that you didn't want to actually do. But today, that's all changed because of this AI tool. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what this tool is, how you could use it, and 3 niches that I would recommend you get started in. Now that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be buildyourstore.ai, because this right here allows you to build out a Shopify store literally in just a few minutes. There's no tech. They actually give you the winning products and it's yours for free. And as we can see right here, they're partners with Shopify and it's incredibly easy. You choose your niche, you review your store, and you have your AI built store live, and it's time for you to start selling and making some money from your store. So in order to get started, here's what you need to do. First, you need to actually sign up for an account right here, and then we're going to go through the process of you actually choosing your niche and getting this set up. So the first niche that we're going to get started with is we're going to choose pets right here. We're going to come over here and click on done. And then from here, you're going to go through and you could actually go through and choose the banners that you are going to have. Now, these were created incredibly quickly. In fact, literally happened automatically. And I love this banner right here. And I love this banner right here. I also love this one as a third. Do like this one too, but I'm going to go with these two because I want that human touch. Now from here, we're just going to click on done. And then what this is actually going to go through and do is allow us to get set up on Shopify, walks us through exactly what we need to do. And then once this is done, it'll actually build this out for us. Okay, so now that this is done, it's actually pretty simple. You're just going to come over here and we're actually going to link our Shopify store by coming over here and just grabbing the URL that shows in our admin. I'm simply just going to come over here. I'm going to copy this URL right here, and we're going to come over here. We're going to click save, and then we're going to say complete instructions right here. And then what this is going to do is actually walk us through how we could get a discount on Shopify. And now that this is done, all we have to do is actually install this AutoDS dropshipping app, which is incredibly simple to do. You literally just click on install. We're going to click on install here. And then this is going to help us actually set up our different winning products, because AutoDS will preload your store with 10 winning products ready to sell so that you don't have to manually do that. So now from here, we could see that we simply just go through and we're going to customize our store. We simply just click on customize, and then this is going to go off and this is going to do this for us. And again, this gets rid of the ability for us to have to actually go through this, because this is going to do it. And we could see that now our store is all built and we can make it ready to sell. And what this is going to allow us to do is import winning products in just one click, automate pricing, orders, and tracking so that we can save hours every day, and we can start selling real products without having inventory or hassle. And to be clear here, this is what AutoDS is going to do for you. These are benefits that come when you install and connect AutoDS. And now we can see right here that our store is actually going to be live, and it walks us through exactly how we could get started with it if we needed to. And now when I actually come over to my store, we could see that we have these products that were automatically already added in here, which is pretty awesome. It went through, it gave us the title, it gave us a description, and it added in all this different media right here, which is amazing. In addition to that, if we come over to home right here and we click on customize theme, we could see what our store is actually going to look like right here. And we could also see that we could go through and we could optimize it, or we could change it however we want. Now, before I walk you through what the final product actually looks like and my 3 favorite niches that you could do this with right now on social media, I wanted to remind you to go to the pinned comment below and get started with Build Your Store AI today. So here's what the final product actually looks like. So as we can see right here, this has literally gone through and already created my store. It gave us this banner up here. We could go through the catalog of products. As we could see, this actually has the thumbnail that we took earlier, which is pretty awesome right here. And we can see that there's 2 of them. In addition to that, we could actually shop through all of these different products. And guess what? I didn't have to set any of these up. Build Your Store actually went ahead and did this for us. In addition to that, this is also now going to walk us through how we could actually create UGC videos using AI that we could then post on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to be able to promote our store. And as we can see, this actually went through and this built us this professional website. It put testimonials on here. This looks absolutely incredible. And if we wanted to, we could just customize this in any way. And as we could come over here and actually see this, it's added in several different products right here, which is pretty awesome. And if we wanted to add in more, we could. We have this automatic cat toy. We have this 4-in-1 pet grooming. We have the automatic retractable dog leash and a bunch of other products. This literally went through and grabbed 10 products that What automatically added in the store? It added in the title, it added in the price, it added in the description, it even added in coupon codes here. And again, if we wanted to, we could actually come through here and we could go through all of our different products right here, and we could adjust them if we wanted to. We could get rid of them. We could change them. We could change the images. We could change everything about each of these products by just coming in here and being able to customize all of this. So essentially what Build Your Store AI did was went through, it actually built out a professional store for us, and it found a bunch of products that we could sell in just a few minutes. And if we wanted to find more products, we would be able to come over into this AutoDS app right here and find a bunch more products that we would be able to drop ship. And again, AI built the website, found the products, and did far majority of the work. And in the past, that would have been all manual stuff you had to do. Now, in terms of my favorite niches for this, here are 3 that are working really well on social media right now. Okay, so that first niche I wanted to emphasize is going to be the one that we actually built out, which is going to be the pet toys niche. Now, the reason that I want to emphasize this is because if we come over here and we type into TikTok, pet toys, what you are going to find, this video went viral. This video went viral. This video went viral. In fact, I can't find a video under here that didn't go viral. And that's going to be a really, really good sign, because if you know anything about social media, it's all based on interest. So the way that you can actually go viral is by making sure that you're in a niche that is also going viral. Now, you don't want to just only look at TikTok. You also want to come over to Instagram, you want to come over to YouTube, and you want to type in the same exact thing. So if we come over to YouTube, type in pet toys, we could see the same exact thing. There are tons of viral videos under here. So basically what this is going to allow you to do is move forward with confidence, thinking, hey, a lot of people are doing this, so there's probably more room for us to be able to differentiate and do this too. That's what you actually want to look for when you're looking for niches on social media. In addition to that, if we come over to something like ChatGPT and get it to do some research on how much the pet toys niche is expected to grow from 2026 to 2030, we could see that this actually goes through, and this says that this is going to grow a lot. So if we look at this, they're looking at a 45% growth, $5.2 billion growth with an annual growth rate of 8 to 10%, and this actually goes through and tells us why. In addition to that, it goes through what is actually driving this growth, and we could ask this what niches will actually stick out. For example, what sub-niches inside of this niche stick out? And then what this is actually going to do is do the research for us to help us better actually enter this niche. And we can see interactive smart toys right here doing really well, aggressive chewers doing really well, puzzle and enrichment doing really well. And guess what? Those are exactly the same type of things that Build My Store actually put on our page, which is incredible that it actually knew this. Now, the next niche I want to show you is actually going to be the apparel niche, but I want to go even more specific. We want to talk about sports apparel. So if we come over here and we look at a website like Baseball Lifestyle, we could see that they are absolutely crushing it. And guess what? This website is built on Shopify, and this type of niche exists for so many different things. In fact, if we come over here, we could see that there are several articles actually written about this brand, and we could see that it literally went from a basement to baseball's biggest brand, and this is BL 101. In fact, the hat that I'm wearing right now is from BL 101, and we could see that it's now available in more than 1,000 locations nationwide. And this all started making some social media content and creating a Shopify website. And again, this opportunity exists for baseball, for softball, for football. There's so many different ways to do this. In fact, another example of this that some of you might know is going to be Overtime. And again, if we come over to this website right here, we can see that it's a bunch of sports related apparel right here. And guess what? This website looks oddly familiar, right? Because it's also built on Shopify, and Build Your Store built us a website that is incredibly similar to this. And we could see that they're targeting women that play basketball with this. They're targeting kids with this one. They target hoodies. They target people into anime. And you can actually build this around whatever sport you are interested in or whatever type of apparel you want to sell, whether it be going to the gym or a specific sport. This niche right here is also blowing up. In fact, if we come over to ChatGPT and ask it how much this niche is expected to grow from 2026 to 2030, what you're going to find is that this niche right here is actually even bigger than the pet niche. Because look at this, although this is going to grow a little bit less in terms of overall growth, we could see it's going to go from 55 billion to 80 billion, which is absolutely insane. In fact, that's just the growth right there. That's not even the total size. The total market size is between 200 to 300 billion dollars for this market right here, which again makes it prime for somebody to be able to disrupt. And then that last niche that I wanted to show you is going to be home and garden, because if we come over here and actually do a search for home and garden, what you're going to notice is so many people are posting about this and so many people interact with this. In fact, I couldn't believe it myself when I first looked this up. And if we come over to TikTok, we're going to find the same thing. There are just so many people that are interested in this that, again, this post went viral, this post went viral, this post went viral, this post went viral. There's so many different things that you could post about in here. And there's so many different things that you could actually sell to this audience. You could sell plants, you could sell tools, you could sell pots, you could sell anything that you could think of. And again, Build Your Store is going to be able to walk you through this exact thing. And if we come back over to the niche right here, we could see that it has all of these niches that I just mentioned available. And I just proved to you how big the market opportunity is for these and that social media content for these is going crazy. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and get started with Build Your Store today.